Hello everyone. So this is my latest project that I've created using Python and R. This part I've done with our Shiny, which is interactive and very interesting dashboard that we can play with the values of the hyperparameters. These are the results from hyperparameter tuning using grid search with the model random forest classifier. I've done all the data cleaning and modeling with Python, but this part with our Shiny. So let's observe this. We can choose our first static column, let's say minimum sample split, and its value will be, let's say, 5. We can choose max depth as a second static column, and two other columns will be dynamic and will be shown here as a heat map. For each value of these two dynamic columns, we have heat map, and these values are accuracy. So we can play with this. These are the results from tuning. So the results from hyperparameter tuning, we can visualize accuracy in a very interesting way and see those, scores for each pair of hyperparameters. So this is an interesting one. We can actually see the code as well. This is the code. So for anyone having any kind of interest, I will be explaining this code in my YouTube channel. So please make sure that you follow me there as well. So thank you very much for your attention.